One of the most powerful principles that can completely transform your life is the concept of manifesting abundance and prosperity. This transformation does not involve any complicated techniques or strategies requiring specific actions. Instead, it focuses on the person you want to become. For example, if your desire is to achieve financial abundance, the truth is that you need to embody the mindset of abundance on the inside before it manifests on the outside. Without this internal shift, you will find yourself moving from one strategy to another, believing the problem lies elsewhere. The first key lesson is this: if you don't change internally, nothing external will change. This is the fundamental essence of the mirror principle. If you master this principle, everything you touch will turn to gold. However, this requires confronting your own inner challenges and reflections you may not like. If you are truly ready for a significant change, this guide is for you. Today, we will unravel this principle and explore how it can actually change your life. Understanding the stakes is crucial. If you don't change internally, nothing external will ever change. Mastering the principle of manifesting abundance is not just about making more money or achieving success. It's about transforming your entire life. Without internal change, you'll remain stuck in the same patterns, experiencing the same frustrations and setbacks. Think about it. If you don't alter your inner beliefs and mindset, your external circumstances will reflect that. For instance, if you believe you are not capable of financial success, the mirror of reality will reflect this belief, and you'll encounter more situations that confirm your lack of success. This is why it's essential to understand that the external world is merely a reflection of your internal world. Most people are consumed by the hustle and bustle of everyday life, losing connection with their inner wisdom. By neglecting this connection, they miss out on the opportunity to transform their reality. Recognizing these stakes highlights the importance of internal change as the foundation for manifesting abundance and prosperity. The first topic we need to explore is how reality reflects your relationship with yourself and the world around you. This concept might seem abstract, but it's straightforward once you grasp its essence. Reality acts like a mirror, showing you what you believe about yourself and the world. For example, if your relationship with money is filled with doubts and insecurities, thinking that you are not good at making money, the mirror of reality will say, "Oh, that's what you believe? So be it. Here's more evidence that you're not capable of making money." Consequently, life will give you more circumstances that reinforce this belief. It's essential to understand that the external world is a reflection of your internal world. If we carefully observe the world around us, we'll notice that most people are increasingly immersed in external distractions like technology, social media, and the daily grind. This constant focus on the outside world leads to a disconnection from our inner wisdom and essence, which we once mastered. The first fundamental key to manifesting abundance is to recognize that reality mirrors two things: your relationship with yourself and your relationship with the world. What you see in the mirror of reality is a projection of how you view yourself and your surroundings. If you see yourself as not good enough, the mirror will reflect that belief, providing more evidence and circumstances to prove you're not good enough. The reflection is based on the messages you send to the mirror of reality. The mirror of reality acts like a loyal friend, always validating what you believe. Instead of trying to manipulate the reflected image directly, you need to transform the image you project. This approach is similar to influencing someone by inspiring them rather than commanding them. When you motivate and present persuasive reasons to avoid certain actions, people are more inclined to listen and accept your influence. Similarly, our goal is to influence our world indirectly. The mirror of reality intensifies what you say and always reflects what you hold to be true in your mind, both about yourself and the world. This is one of the most crucial keys to understand. By realizing that the external world is a reflection of our internal state, we can start making conscious changes within ourselves. This inner transformation is the first step towards manifesting abundance and prosperity. Once you comprehend this principle, You can begin to influence your reality positively, creating a life that aligns with your deepest desires and aspirations. Creating powerful affirmations about your identity and worldview is essential for manifesting abundance and prosperity. Affirmations are positive statements that help you internalize the beliefs you need to adopt to see change in your reality. First, it's crucial to get clear about what you want in the long term. Imagine yourself in 10 years. What activities do you see yourself doing every day? What do you have that makes your life a continuous journey of discovery? Ask yourself, who am I being now? And what characteristics and traits do I have when I'm achieving, having, and doing all these things? Once you have a clear vision, it's time to create affirmations about your identity. These affirmations should reflect how you see yourself in your ideal future. For example, you might say, I am worthy of abundance, or I am a magnet for prosperity. These statements help you align your internal state with the abundance you want to manifest. Next, create affirmations that relate to your vision of the world. You could say, the world conspires in my favor, or everything happens at the right time and according to the divine plan. Repeating these affirmations daily will help you internalize them, leading to an incredible transformation in how you perceive reality. As you dedicate yourself to these affirmations, be prepared to witness significant changes. The reality you perceive and the way you see the world will start to shift. Even if what you want seems difficult today, it doesn't mean you can't achieve it tomorrow. Everything takes time, practice, and patience. Respect your journey and don't let fears hold you back. Take a moment each day to practice this exercise, and you will see your life revolutionize. Understanding the delay in manifestation is crucial for maintaining faith in your journey. In our inner world, we can create images instantly just by closing our eyes and visualizing what we want. However, in the physical dimension, things take longer to manifest because of the nature of matter. Matter is dense and cannot break the laws of nature to make everything happen instantly. This delay means you need to hold on to the belief you've established long enough for your desire to manifest. This principle teaches that you must remain faithful to the identity and worldview you have created until your goal reveals itself. Whatever you want to be, start by adopting the identity of someone who already is that. Ask yourself, how would that person act? And hold on to that identity long enough. When people start this process, they often experience ups and downs. They establish a belief and an identity, expecting their goal to come true. But when the result doesn't appear immediately, their mood declines. This decline can affect the manifestation process. The key is to stay loyal to the identity and worldview you have created, even when you experience setbacks. This persistence is the most effective way to bring about significant changes in your life. Understand that the reflection in your reality takes time to change, and patience is essential. Trust in the process and keep reinforcing your new identity and worldview. The mirror of reality reflects the content of your thoughts, not just your emotions. If you focus on negative thoughts, you'll attract more negative circumstances. For example, if you constantly think, I hate my job, the mirror of reality will reflect this, and you'll encounter more reasons to hate your job. Instead, focus on positive aspects and desires to change the reflection. This shift in focus is the difference between a scarcity mentality and an abundance mentality. Instead of seeing the glass as half empty, see it as half full. To make any change happen, start by focusing on what you already have. Recognize all the progress you've made, the beautiful relationships you have, and the things you are grateful for. When you focus on what you want and what you already have, the gap between your current life and your desired life begins to close. This focus helps you push the boundaries of your comfort zone and opens up new possibilities. By consistently focusing on positive aspects and what you desire, you change the reflection in the mirror of reality. This change won't happen overnight, but with persistence and a positive mindset, you'll begin to see significant improvements in your life. The mirror cycle is a powerful concept that can change your life forever. Most people observe their current reality, Form an image based on this observation, and then the mirror reflects this image back to them. This cycle keeps them stuck in the same patterns. To become a co-creator of your reality, you need to reverse this process. Start by forming the image you want to see in the mirror. Turn your back on your current reality and focus on the future you want to create. Understand that what is around you now is the result of past decisions. To shape tomorrow, consciously choose today. Create the image of the reality you desire, and the mirror will begin to reflect it, albeit with some delay. Instead of observing and reacting to your current circumstances, confirm and focus on the positive changes. Notice the small improvements and celebrate them. Over time, these small changes will accumulate, leading to significant transformations. The more you practice this, the more your reality will align with your desires. Patience and persistence are essential in the process of manifesting abundance. The physical dimension has a delay in manifestation, and maintaining faith during this period is crucial. You need to hold on to your new identity and worldview long enough for your desires to manifest. This process involves overcoming doubts and staying committed to your goals despite setbacks. Understand that the manifestation process involves ups and downs. You may establish a belief and an identity expecting immediate results, but when they don't appear, it's easy to lose faith. However, the key is to remain steadfast in your new identity. The reflection of your reality takes time to change, and patience is essential. Trust the process and continue reinforcing your new beliefs and affirmations. By maintaining patience and persistence, you allow the changes to take root and manifest in your reality. This persistence is what ultimately leads to significant transformations in your life. Cultivating an abundance mentality is about focusing on the positive aspects of your life and your desires. Instead of fixating on what you lack, appreciate what you have. This shift in focus helps you attract more positive experiences. For example, if you want more financial abundance, start by appreciating the financial resources you already have. Create affirmations that reflect this abundance mentality. Repeat statements like, "I am grateful for the abundance in my life," and "I attract prosperity effortlessly." These affirmations help you internalize the abundance mentality, leading to positive changes in your reality. By focusing on what you want and what you have, you close the gap between your current life and your desired life. This shift in focus is crucial for manifesting abundance. The more you focus on positive aspects and your desires, the more you align with the vibration of abundance, attracting it into your life. Overcoming negative patterns is essential for manifesting abundance. Negative thoughts and beliefs can sabotage your efforts. To break free from these patterns, start by identifying them. Notice when you have negative thoughts and beliefs about yourself and your circumstances. Replace these negative thoughts with positive affirmations. For example, if you think, "I am not good enough," replace it with, "I am capable and deserving of success." This shift helps you change the reflection in the mirror of reality. Consistently practice this until the positive beliefs become your new default. Overcoming negative patterns requires persistence and conscious effort. By replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations, you gradually transform your internal state, leading to positive changes in your external reality. Building a supportive environment is crucial for manifesting abundance. Surround yourself with positive influences that support your goals. This includes people, environments, and resources that align with your desires. A supportive environment helps you maintain a positive mindset and stay focused on your goals. Seek out communities and groups that share your aspirations. Engage with content that inspires and motivates you. Create a physical environment that reflects your goals and desires. This supportive environment acts as a constant reminder of your aspirations, helping you stay committed to the process of manifesting abundance. By building a supportive environment, you create a foundation that nurtures your growth and helps you stay aligned with your desires. This environment plays a crucial role in maintaining the positive changes you've made and supporting your journey towards abundance and prosperity. Embracing the journey of manifesting abundance is about enjoying the process and appreciating each step. Understand that manifesting abundance is not just about the end goal, but also about the growth and transformation you experience along the way. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and stay committed to your journey. Practice gratitude for the experiences and lessons you encounter. Each step brings you closer to your goals, and appreciating the journey helps you stay motivated and positive. Remember that the process of manifesting abundance is continuous, and each day presents an opportunity for growth and transformation. Embracing the journey helps you maintain a positive mindset and stay focused on your goals. By appreciating the process, you create a fulfilling and joyful experience, leading to the manifestation of abundance and prosperity in your life. The journey of manifesting abundance and prosperity begins with internal transformation. By changing your beliefs, creating powerful affirmations, understanding the delay in manifestation, focusing on positive aspects, reversing the mirror cycle, and cultivating patience and persistence, you can transform your reality. Cultivating an abundance mentality, overcoming negative patterns, building a supportive environment, and embracing the journey are essential steps in this process. The mirror of reality reflects your internal state, and by making conscious changes within, you can create the life of abundance and prosperity you desire. Remember, this journey requires dedication, practice, and patience, but the rewards are worth it. As you apply these principles, you will witness incredible transformations in your life, leading to the manifestation of your dreams. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and may you find the abundance and prosperity you seek.